Okay, now we're going to start with exercise 8, which is circles. So a circle will be constructed by using a compass, a passer. Okay. And when you use your passer, you will, I mean, most of you guys have already done circles with them and you know now how. But there's just something I would like to show you just so we can get into this. Uh, when you do that, when you measure your passer on your ruler, let's say, for example, this is now 4 centimeters that this person is actually measuring out. Is it not going to play? Right. So that's 4. So the radius is where you actually put down your passer until the edge of your circle. That's 4 centimeters, right? And then your diameter will be 8 centimeters, which means from one point of the circle to the other point of the circle, right? So radius goes only from the middle. Let me just get the Afrikaans word, jou radius hierso. Jou radius gaan dan van die middelpunt af tot aan die kant van die sirkel, soos wat jy dit daarso sien. So only from the middle, exactly the middle, until you get to the corner or the point of the circle, the edge. Let's call it the edge. And then that is your radius. Then your diameter, wat ook jou deursnee genoem word, of in Afrikaans ook 'n middellyn. That's from one edge of your circle right through to the other edge of your circle. Okay, so that is what that is. Now I think I need to make this a bit smaller. Okay, there we go. Everything is in there. I would like you guys to please do the following summary in your for activity 8. You will see which is Afrikaans and English, right? There's your English, English, English. There we go. Just so you don't by accident write the wrong ones. That's that one. So all those marked with the yellow highlighter. So please draw your circle. Please don't draw it with your hand. Do it with your compass, with your passer. Put it down. You can decide what your radius should be. Let's also make it like, I think 4 centimeters should be fine. Do a 4 centimeter radius. Draw your circle. If you see the 4 is a little bit too small, I don't have a ruler with me quickly to check, but if you don't see it, that it's big enough, just choose a better radius. Just go a little bit bigger. And then draw your circle, and then also with all the details of that, you can use your whole page to do this. This is very important so you get this terminology. We are just touching base a little bit on the circles now, and then we will continue with how to measure it. Question 8.1 asks you to construct a circle with center point M. Construeer die cirkel met middelpunt M, radius of 3 centimeters. So what you're going to do first is you are going to draw your line. Okay? You draw your line. Then now somewhere there you're going to make your origin. Then you are going to measure out 3 centimeters on your ruler. Take your compass, stretch your compass out until you've got 3 centimeters. You're going to put your point of your compass down there, like you, you'll know what to do there. And then take your compass, once it's there, just remember to do it very nice and neatly. Don't let it move the 2 legs. Don't let it move more open or closed, because then your circle isn't correct anymore. So then you're going to, from there, you're going to put down your circle, and you literally are going to go around and okay, I made a good circle. But we all know mine is not actually 100% correct. But when you're finished, your circle should look something like this. And now do remember they said center point M. you have to put your capital M there in order to do this. Okay, by vraag 8.2, it says if any circle is given and the diameter is drawn. Right, so dis nou wat daar is. I have given you the drawn diameter and I've also given you the middle line. So ek gee vir jou die middellyn en ek gee vir jou die deursnee. Maar I want you to give me the middle. You don't know where the middle is. You're going to do the following. You're going to take your compass. You're going to measure. You're not going to measure out exactly 3 or exactly 4 or exactly 5. Just put it down so you know it's bigger and will definitely go over the middle. Okay? You're then going to put your passer down. You're going to put it down there. You're going to take it, and doesn't matter if it's outside or inside, as long as you know it's going to go more or less over the half. I mean, you're not going to make an arc there. That's ridiculous. You have to go over somewhere. So let's say I've got my compass now, passer, and I just make an arc there, right? And then you're going to, with the same length, don't move your length. With the same length, you're going to put it down there, and you're going to make an arc there. Then you're going to do the same for this side. You're going to make an arc there. From that side, you're going to make an arc there. Now, do you know, I don't have a passer, right? So mine might be incorrect. But then you take that line. Okay, mine is not going to go exactly. But you know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put it right there, okay? So then you're going to take your line. You're going to pull it through. And you're going to name the middle or the point of circle M. Okay, that's how you would half get your middle point. Okay, so do that for 8.2.